Spinal cord injury, remember the studies that we showed in animals? So this is a woman that was pushed out of a car by her boyfriend on the highway about 15 years prior to us working with her. So spinal cord lesion, we're asking her to move her left leg, and as we push her to move the left leg, you'll see it's the right that is moving. There is zero movement in the left leg whatsoever. She can move her arm a little bit, but she needs to ring the bell to be turned in her bed. She needs to be fed, dressed, and all of this. So she started on the product. We told her to take as much as you can, so as you want. So she took, I believe, 4 capsules 3 times a day. This is 8 months later. So no physical therapy, nothing. So imagine what it could be if we start to add physical therapy. And then this is another 2 months, so 10 months later. So she's now using the weight of her leg, so it's abdominal muscle, it's pelvic muscle, it's back muscle, arm muscle, so just overall recovery of musculature. Your stem cells have an enormous power. What if we started medically to tap into that when somebody has an injury, aside from everything else that we can do? That repair power is there.